Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another DIY video, PPF Porsche 911 Part 3 rear bumper. Let's get started. All right guys, we are done with the bumper. So I've got the car sitting outside. I'll show it here to you here in a second. Worked out good. There's some moisture bubbles, air bubbles in it. That'll go away with it sitting out in the heat. So we're good there. I will tell you, this is probably much more difficult than I thought it was going to be. It's definitely doable, but it was definitely harder than the rear quarter panels on the car for some reason. Just a lot of different areas to tuck and go around and all that made it a little bit more difficult. But anyway, I'm so pleased. Again, dry protect it. We'll link everything below on sending Eric an email to get pricing for your Porsche 911 or whatever Porsche that you have. So let's check out the car. You definitely got to watch a lot of the B-roll during the process of installing it. I hope that helps out. But again, I'll show you exactly where I tacked it down and all that, and we'll go from there. So let me get this thing turned around, the camera turned around, and let's check out the car. So here it is. I do have one major bubble here, but that's just water. I'll get that out in a few. I'm just going to let the sun. But as you can see, I mean, this is just some water here and around here. It's really not bad. It's really, it really came out great, even though it was a pain. So we do have it fully completed. Let's see here if I can show you along the edge here. So the way it works is when you lay it down, you'll see on the B-roll, this is your first area that you lay in, and then I think it was down here and then up here, and then it moved to here and then down here, and then you tack all that, and then basically you repeat that process on this side as well. And again, the B-roll footage I've got, I'll speed it up. It'll be able to, you'll be able to see it a lot better. And so now I'm just letting it bake in the sun and get all these bubbles out. I'm still working on a couple of bubbles here, but those are starting to fade away, which is good. Got one here, so the good moisture one here. Other than that, I think everything is looking great. I'm just going to let it sit out and just keep baking. It'll take it a couple of days and hopefully they're all gone. And if there's any air bubbles left, we'll just use a diabetic needle and get that removed, and we should be good. So anyway, that's it. That's the bumper. The next project is, get over out of the sun, the next project is the last project, which is the aero kit spoiler, or the aero kit itself. Man, it's hot out here. That will be done in the next few days. I'm going to take a break and relax a little bit, get these videos out for you guys. Please don't hesitate to comment below. Please like, subscribe, ring the bell. Also, you'll have Eric's information with Drive Protected below. Just go ahead and send him an email. He'll get you out the quote for your Porsche. All right, guys, until the next video, make it a great day. Like and subscribe. God bless.